Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to delete a Wix website. Whether you're clearing out old projects or starting completely fresh, these steps relate directly to each other to help you remove your site safely. First, sign into your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard of the specific site you want to remove. Look for the Site Actions button near the top of the screen, click it, and then select Move to Trash. A dialog box will pop up asking for confirmation. Just click Move to Trash again. Now, it's important to understand that this first step isn't permanent yet. Your site stays in a trash folder for 90 days, giving you a safety net if you change your mind. To delete it forever right now, navigate back to your main account dashboard where all your sites are listed. Go to the trash folder, click on Site Actions for that site again, and this time select Remove Site. You'll be prompted one last time to confirm the action. Click Yes, Delete, and your site will be permanently removed from your Wix account. You'll get a confirmation message once the process is complete. Just remember, once you do this, the action is irreversible, and you won't be able to get that site back. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you clean up your workspace, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point software tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to cancel a Wix Premium subscription before you delete your site next, and I will see you in the next video.